If your tree looks like this and has all of this brush growing out, it might be time to get some new tree trimmers. And I am not a gardener or anything, but I saw these tree trimmers or loppers. They're called loppers too. I've never heard that term before. But I decided to go ahead and get these for our tree because, as you can see, it's very sprouty and has lots of new growth growing out from our tree, which does not look pretty. So we figured it was time for a trim and time to cut all of this new growth off. So I got these tree trimmers. It does come with a plastic cover that you can easily just put on there and store it away. The handles seem very secure and very sturdy. It's made of this grippy rubber material, and as you can see, I'm opening and closing, and it has a glide to it where I'm having to kind of apply some pressure to open and close them. So it definitely feels very sturdy and like it's going to apply some pressure to trim this growth off. So it's not too heavy for me. I'm 5'2" and don't have a lot of upper body strength, and I can easily hold these and work them no problem. On the listing, it says that it can cut through 1.2 inches width on your tree. So this is not 1.2 inches, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how easily it cuts. So you just line it up and then you just barely apply any pressure and the limbs just kind of glide off of there. So as you can see, I'm using it and apply a little bit of pressure there because that was a bigger one, and it just comes right off. So I'm just trimming up this tree and it's already looking a lot better. This is pretty thick, definitely not 1.2 inches like the listing says it can cut through, but it's definitely enough where I could not just pull it out by hand. I can pull this and it's not going anywhere. So I definitely need something to cut through this with. It's not new growth, it's kind of been growing for a while, and so it's harder to cut it off. So I'm going to line that up and just easily cut through. So these work really great. I'm really impressed with the quality. It's easy for me to hold and work by myself. Like I said, I'm not a gardener by any means. I'm not in the yard a lot doing yard work. I'm just new at this, and I just wanted some tree trimmers that I can easily use and make this tree look better aesthetically. There was no setup or anything. You just open them out of the package and then they're ready to use and cut. So these are wonderful. I highly recommend if you're looking for some new tree trimmers or loppers as they call them, then these really do work great. If you open it up, you can kind of see the inside right here. It's kind of ridged. That way it has some grip on the branch that you're trying to cut. These are really great, and I will definitely be using these to trim up our tree. Here's a really thick branch that's growing out from our tree, and I'm going to go ahead and see how easily this cuts through. And I applied a little bit of pressure and it cut through that super easily. So if you're looking for some new tree trimmers, I highly recommend this one. Very easy to use, and it seems like it's really high quality.